it is. The 90+% of the apps installed through Chocolatey are done completely silently. So if you go into any of those apps here, first of all, you see if it's been tested and scan tested and everything. That's great. But more importantly is you see the files that are being used and the scripts that people have made. Now, the actual install, if we look for it, here. So it is using the /qn flag in the case of Adobe Reader. So it will install it completely silently. Well, that one is uninstalling, but it's the same idea for install. It is using the QN flag somewhere, if I can find it. Let me find it. So uninstall, test path, blah, blah, blah. Anyways, it is, oh, there it is. Statements, and then it's using the quiet flag for installing and for updating. So it is doing it completely silently. So simply the system, the Chocolatey app will control that. Most apps that are through Chocolatey are done completely silently. So you are more than welcome to use that to make it easier for you. We've made the script, we've made everything that you need. It's just a matter of using it, basically.